I understand the importance of the precedent set forth in Roe v. Wade.
Roe versus Wade is an important precedent.
It's a precedent in the United States Supreme Court.
Roe versus Wade clearly held that the Constitution protected a woman's right to terminate a pregnancy.
Senator, I think that the Supreme Court has made clear that the issue of marital privacy is protected.
So Roe v. Wade held, of course, and it's reaffirmed in Planned Parenthood versus Casey, that a woman has a constitutional right to obtain an abortion before viability.
I don't have any agenda. I have no agenda to try to overrule Casey. I have an agenda to stick to the rule of law and decide cases as they come.
Well, the holding of Roe versus Wade in 30 seconds, Senator, is that a woman has a right to an abortion.
Roe versus Wade is an important precedent of the Supreme Court. It was decided in 1973. So it's been on the books for a long time. It has been challenged on a number of occasions, and the Supreme Court has reaffirmed the decision. I think that when a decision is challenged and it is reaffirmed, that strengthens its value.
Can you tell me whether Roe was decided correctly?
Senator, again, I would tell you that Roe versus Wade, decided in 1973, is a precedent in the United States Supreme Court. It was reaffirmed in Casey in 1992. And in several other cases. So a good judge will consider it as precedent of the United States Supreme Court, worthy as treatment of precedent like any other.
That I do see as distinct my personal, moral, religious views and my task of applying the law as a judge.
Do I have this day an opinion, a personal opinion, on the outcome in Roe versus Wade? And my answer to you is that I do not.
What about the right of a woman to determine when and whether she becomes pregnant?
The court has held that while that right is not expressed in the due process clause, that it is implied, and the court has reiterated that. Griswold was the foundation of Roe, and the court has adhered to that view for many, many years.
And you would adhere stringently and faithfully to that precedent?
I absolutely would, Senator Blumenthal.
Frankly, I'm terrified that if we turn the clock back on legal abortion services, women will once again be forced to resort to brutal and illegal abortions. I want to ask you once again, appealing to your sense of compassion, to whether or not you believe the Constitution protects a woman's right to abortion.
If a woman is subjected to the agony of an environment like that, on a personal level, certainly I am very, very pained by that. I think any of us would be. I wouldn't want to see people subjected to torture of that nature.